tell you guys why. Oh, never mind. Sure. Y'all don't know what's gonna be planning for this car though. Guess what? You can see it right here. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Shameless plug, but if you guys haven't already followed my Instagram, I usually post a lot of things like this. You know what I'm saying? Me and the boys, especially this. I'm usually on here if I'm not uploading videos. I'm usually active with Instagram, so just follow me. I'm on private right now, but I'm probably gonna be public pretty soon. If you guys want to keep updated with my life, I'm usually on here. But hey, no. Hey man,
no.
Hey,
no.
Hey man,
no.
This guy again, man.
No, not allowed. Not allowed to push me. No, come on. Hey,
Yo, the vlogs have switched, man. I gotta go.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh man. I think you're exhausted, making a weird noise. Oh, let's check. Sheesh. Whoa, you hear that?
I think so too, man.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I think so too, man.
I don't know if you're ready. Hey, POV.
Usually doesn't make that noise, man.
I know, man. It's just sometimes here and there. Jeez. Oh shit! Oh shit! He's great, man. All right, we'll see y'all at Gabe's house.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy AronRSX. We are here at Mr. Gabe's house. Hello, man. What are you doing?
Putting on stock wheels.
Gibatron.
Sure. What y'all think, though? Hey, he's selling the Prelude. If you guys are looking for a first car, this is a perfect.
70,000 miles still on the car.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. If you guys are looking for a first car, this is the perfect first car for you. It is on lowering springs. Already has a Kohler intake. It usually had these wheels, but these are Justin's wheels.
Yeah, we're selling these too.
Oh yeah, 600 OBO, man.
NVIDIA catback.
Oh yeah, NVIDIA catback exhaust. You guys will hear that in a bit, but
it's auto.
Manual.
No, I said no, man.
I mean, it's manual mode. Jake.
Oh yeah, manual mode. It has manual mode, man.
Just look at it. It's so
I know,
beautiful.
so nice, bro. First shot of the day. Okay, ready? Hey, man. First shot of the day.
All around the world.
Wow, you made your first. Oh shit.
What you think?
I think I hear something coming from your exhaust. Let me see. I'll show you guys. Oh shit, you can kind of hear it.
Goddamn, little bitch on that coat, like Montana. I'm on high drink codeine, I'm afloat like a fountain. Baby, need some protein, work out like a dancer. I got all the hoes in the snow, just like Santa. And we keep the sticks in the smoke, who on cancer?
Hello. We're here with Justin now with his black RSX guy. We're trying to fix his exhaust leak coming from his headers. We're assuming it's from the donut piece that goes from the mid pipe to the headers. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Look at his clean RSX, man.
Alright, well, it's not then, try it.
Sheesh. Y'all. Damn. Big old booty, bruh.
What's up?
Ooh. You know what I'm saying?
13, bro.
13? Got my Oh, it's too small? Got my red rocket.
Yeah, what's up?
Got my red rocket. Uh-oh. 13. 13 inches, you know what I'm saying? Oh! Man, we're not making a vlog, we're making a movie. To see what the mechanic guy is doing. Hey, what the? That's it?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we just got done. We had to take a trip to Home Depot, but you know what I'm saying? I think we're done, man. Turn it on, man.
Turn on my car.
Yeah, turn it on. Oh wow. That's not Gabe.
What? It's the
Oh,
car,
that's
man.
the car, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Sheesh. Very nice guy. Again. What? I said again, man.
Oh, got gas.
I said again. I said
got
again.
gas. Boom, ba, 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 ba.
Oh. Do it again.
Boom, ba, 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 ba.
Sheesh.
Edit flames in here.
Hey, what? Oh, this guy funny, man. This is the K-Tune oval exhaust 3-inch paired with the Skunk 2 Mega Power. Oh, not Skunk 2 Mega Power. Skunk 2 Alpha Header. The same one I got. But
Mega power.
what you think, though, man?
Hey, when are we gonna do your?
Oh, what? Oh, what? Shh, they don't know about that, man.
Hey, beat that out.
Hey, they don't know about that, man.
Beat that out.
Hey, man, who are you?
Hey, give me an elbow.
Hey, can I get it? I want no. Wait! How you gonna bark on my lawn, bruh? Such a funny guy. Hey, oh. What the? Alright, so we just got done with Gabe's power steering O-ring replacement. Should make his whining go away. Let's see.
My power steering was bubbling too, so we'll see if it stops.
Sure. Again, guys, 4K OBO, perfect daily and perfect first car for your son or your little brother.
Or maybe yourself.
Or yourself. Yeah, even yourself, man. First car. I'm here though. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, turn your wheels. Oh yeah, perfect. No whining, bruh. Let's go. Oh really?
Before, when I turn my wheel right, it did a clicking noise.
Oh wow.
Now if you're right,
Sheesh. Oh my god, bruh. You too loud.
This shit's crazy.
Alright guys, so I just got another customer going to get painted his front bumper. A lot of things bad happened to this bumper, so I'm gonna come over here and repaint everything. See a lot of marks there, a lot of orange peel, a lot of drips. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, looks like there's no even clear coat on here, but yeah, right there too. Yeah, this bumper is gonna be 10 times better than it was before, and yeah, can't wait to do this. And if you guys are in the Sacramento area and need of getting things painted, hit me up and my boy Jay. We have our own page. It's called AJ Auto Paints, and yeah, just hit us up and we'll do it for you, and it'll be way better than this. You could oh my god, look at that uneven paint. Sheesh. Still got Gabe over here. Hey man, what are you doing, guy?
Getting out the stickers.
Oh yeah.
That sucks.
Oh man. But I got a little something for the RSX. Sheesh. Big box or big bag for a small package.
Big box.
Big box. Here it is, my new LED taillight bulbs. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if these are actually way better than the ones I have now. These are actually like, I don't know, way better than this, I'm pretty sure. So we'll see it at nighttime, but let's actually install this. And just like that, these are ready to go. I want to see them at nighttime, and I'll give you guys my 100% review on them. So I'll let you guys know later. But hey,
What's up?
hey man. Sheesh, what is that, man? Sheesh, what is that?
B-roll on his butt. Ready? 3, 2.
Sheesh.
Damn.
It's Mike.
Ah, you too loud, man. Hey, I like the black on black and the black on.
I know.
Kind of black.
I know, man.
All matching, bro. Even when
Oh, yeah.
Justin was here. There's a black on black with the white. I'm saying we gotta do it now, bro.
Yo, yeah, you wanna come out here?
Hey, man. How you been, though, man?
I've been pretty good, man.
How's the E30, man, treating you?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Also got another thing. It is the Eliminate phone mount. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, what the? Oh, what the? Sheesh. Hey, man. What is that? This guy's so fast. But here is the Eliminate phone mount. I just got it. I got the Heartbreakers tee as well. You know what I'm saying? What you think though? Sheesh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, boy.
Hey, what?
Come on, man. What? Hey.
So while we wait for the boys, we just install this real quick. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mount it right here. Oh yeah, that look good. Sheesh. Okay, 3M on the back. Just peel that off, and then we just mount it on the thing. I should probably clean that up, huh? The next time you'll see me is when this is on. Sheesh. Looking good, looking good. What you think though, Gabe?
Nice.
Nice. Nice. I installed it on my phone too, so once this goes on, just sheesh. Oh, what is slipping, man? Wait, hold on.
Hey, you got it off.
Shh. Shut your.
Hey, man.
Shut your.
You shouldn't have put it there, fool.
Whoa.
Yeah, you dummy. You should put it in the middle. Yeah.
Shut up, man.
Not all the weight. Wow, what a dummy.
Sheesh.
Clean, bro. That's fire.
What y'all think though? Watch this. Sheesh.
He's gonna do a pool. That shit's gonna fall out, bro.
Hey, shut your. Hey, shut your. Shut your. What you think though, man?
What are we doing, man? Oh, hell no, man.
What the?
Hey. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, shut your. Give me a B-roll, man. Just cover the camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Right now we are going to be filming something with the boys. And right now I'm getting some Chick-fil-A. And I'm about to chow down. But we are doing something for the channel. And let's just say it was inspired by Randy's videos that he just uploaded like a week ago. So let me know what you guys think. It'll be up pretty soon. You guys will probably see it in a couple days. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. It should be up pretty soon. What the?
Oh,
Oh,
I'm back.
oh wow. I'll see you guys next vlog. AronRSX signing out. Peace.